The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
People and hope that the word will get around. Now, a popular dancehall act came to the airport yesterday with his entourage. They came off the flight from Brussels, and I asked him if he was in Germany, and he said no, and he did not declare it on his form. He was landed and sent through. He proceeded to stop at the Cambio, where a co-worker of mine or on passing heard him say he wish the whole we dead because you know the excitement for we have our mask and gloves. Now I'm talking about Elephant Man. Now, me not careful, anybody can share this voice note, share it. Because at the end of the day, these are the things that are breaking down our society. The ignorance, arrogance, and just the lack of regard. Now, for any human being, whether in their right mind or not, to actually wish death upon persons who are working for their country in the country's best interest is not only distasteful, but it's disheartening. Because we had on our gloves and our mask. No, he had no sense of self because he lied on his declaration form. That's one. That's an offense. He was asked by the officer, me, were you in Germany? He denied it. No, there were no stamps in the passport because when you go to Europe and you move around in Europe, if you're not landed in a particular country, then you won't have a stamp because you can move freely through Europe, right? He was allowed to go. He and another colleague of his both of them did not declare going to Germany. Now, Germany is high risk. Germany is a country where coming from Germany, you're either going to be quarantined if you're Jamaican or you're going to be sent back, right? If you're not Jamaican. Ragan King came up after. I did not process him. However, he was sent to health because he declared going to Germany. Now, upon his declaration, he made it known that Elephant Man was also in Germany and I allowed him to go. Now, I'm explaining to him that he did not declare that he was in Germany. That's how he was sent through. To the point where police had to be called because of how Ragan King was behaving in the hall about being sent to health for simple health screening. Everybody who came was allowed to go to their yard. Now, bear in mind, these are persons that are coming from high-risk countries who potentially are or were exposed to the virus. And because of brutish force and loudness, they are gone to them yards. Bear in mind, these are all performers, so-called entertainers. Certain things are still not being enforced. Now, another situation happened. A young lady was denied extension of stay at our passport office in Montego Bay. She proceeded to sneeze on the officer in retaliation to what she was told that she would not have been given the extension in our country because she had already overstayed her visit. So she already breached, she already broke the law and was being sent back home. She proceeded to sneeze on the officer and wish that the officer catch the virus. Nothing was done. This person was not in any way dealt with legally. Nothing was done. So these are all the abuses that persons who are on the ground have to be facing without much enforcement. And so when I say to you that there is a possibility that this thing will not be controlled, it is because of the behavior, the indiscipline, the lack of regard, the lack of understanding of the severity of the issue, why this is going to happen.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I just presented to you a audio that is out on social media, where this audio had mentioned two entertainers' names that are from Jamaica, or you can say two Jamaican musicians or Jamaican artists, right? And those two persons' names that had been mentioned are Elephant Man and Rygin King. Is what I'm saying to you. And this audio is out on social media, and according to some of the things that has been said in this audio, persons out there on social media are wondering if it is true or if it is false as to what has been said in this audio. And there's also other comments that have been made as well about this audio on social media. Alright? Now, according to what has been said in the audio, is that Elephant Man and Ragan King had arrived in Jamaica at an airport in Jamaica, and they were from a place that is considered to be high risk with the COVID-19, is what I'm saying to you. And you know, it would seem as if what the person is saying, that Elephant Man had lied to immigrations, and it would seem as if they are saying that Ragan King was misbehaving when he was sent to be checked out if he had the COVID-19 or so on. Is what I'm saying to you. Now, viewers and subscribers, I also have a audio of Elephant Man talking about this thing that had happened, where it is said that he had lied to immigrations to avoid being quarantined. This is what I'm saying to you. And I also have a video of Rygin King, and he was talking about a voice note that was circulating on social media and so on. This is what I'm saying to you. And viewers and subscribers, you know, the questions out there that are being asked about this whole thing that is being talked about out there. Is it that Elephant Man had lied to immigrations to avoid being quarantined, or is it that he did not lie? Is what I'm saying to you. And is it that Ragan King had misbehaved, or is it that he did not misbehave? Alright, let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, now here is the audio of Elephant Man explaining in his words as to what had happened. Alright, now take a listen and observe.
To the fans, them, you know, and think, well, a little incident go down at the airport, and as you can see, a voice note come out where one of the custom officers at the airport saying some stuff where really hurt me, because I said, like, how this Japanese, you understand? This not sound good, this not look good. Well, what happened? I was on tour in Europe. You know, the world know that already. I was on tour in Europe for like 3 weeks, because we had to cut it short, because as you can see, everywhere quarantine, right? So anyway, when we on the plane, we boarded from Brussels airport. When we on the plane, forwarding back from Europe, you don't know, we get a custom farm. So on the custom farm it said, where have been for the last 6 weeks. So I put Amsterdam on my own, because that's the last show I did. Because everything started lockdown, and we said, well, for the best thing, Mr. for do right now, I feel. You know, just cut the thing short and go home, because everybody has closed them border, and we have problem all about. You understand? Anyway, reach a Jamaica now. On the flight, you don't know, you have Rygin King manager, you have a couple dancers, you don't know. All the way I come down from you. Anyway, when we reach a Jamaica, walk off of the plane, come straight round to the immigration, reach to the immigration officer. I under my paper. When I under my paper, you know, she look on it, and she say, oh, Amsterdam. I say, yeah, I've been to Amsterdam. So she say, have you been to any other places? I say, yeah, I've been to Sweden, I've been to Berlin, and I've been to Amsterdam. You understand? Because they can't say the tour are cut up, so, and a lot of it, we have to, as I say, we cut short because everywhere closed down. So the next thing she said to me, the address. I'm gonna say, yeah, Kingston 6, and she give me back the paper and she said, right, have a good day. I'm gonna go through. So when I pass and go through, I stop at the money exchange, you know, car. I head to Kingston now, so I have to get some Jamaican to pay the vehicle to carry me go back to Kingston. So when we reach at the money exchange, you have about 8 girls in there or so. You know, they run like a joke and we attack, everybody have a good time. Nobody hear me say, my people and we are protect our life. We have on gloves and have on them masks. With all of the excitement fan, do all of them for dead. The lady was sending out the voice note said she say her friend pass and overhear me. I hear me saying that them are going with them excitement. That's a lie. You say can't go court. You can't do that. You understand? I would never say nothing like that. Remember, say, this is not a joke. So this is not a joke thing. You understand? This is not a joke thing. So you can't send out them voice note there. A definition of character that you try tarnish me thing like I'm so stupid. Where me I go come up at the plane, me I go left Europe and know that the whole world under pressure with this thing here. And me I go come and me I go make them statement like, come on, you can't say that, you can't do that. When I get my paper and when she give me back the custom farm, when me stop at the money place, the money exchange, when me leave the so, I go pick up my bag, when I pick up my bag, I get another custom officer the paper, I go meet the vehicle and I drive out. When I was going through, nobody stopped me and said, well, you know, say we have a quarantine thing I go on where. Nobody said that to me. You understand? I'm down. So normally me check so when me go home, so like when me come home from last night, see that me there me yard. You understand? Me there me yard, me a quarantine myself, me there me yard cause me I say, this thing serious and I like say, as me come on my yard, me go on the road. No, it's serious, so me come on me there me yard. You see me? I'm there me yard and me a quarantine myself. Anybody want to find elephant, them know where to find me. Everybody have my number. See me call everybody from Star and Gleaner and the world find my number and call me. Everybody knows. So if the Minister of Health reach out and say, Energy God, we are quarantined, house quarantine, I'm ready, I'm done, and I've been home doing it. So, you know, no disrespect. And me I say right now, me that just come and make the fans them really know and hear my side because it's not like.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The audio of Elephant Man, you know, explaining about the incident or what had happened. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I'm going to move on to the video that shows off Ragan King talking about the airport and, you know, also mentioned about the audio as well. You see me? Yeah, an audio that is said to be on social media or a voice note. You understand me? Alright, so here I'm going to play the video for you, my viewers and subscribers, that shows off Ragan King. Now take a look, listen, and observe.
Good afternoon, my Jamaican people. You know, we come to address this matter because this matter is serious, you know. Big up everybody you don't know, big up all of the fans them. Hope everybody in the best of them health, you know. Yeah, dog. Anyway, you don't know, we come through the airport yesterday and you don't know, as you don't know, Ragan King tour them did cut short and them thing there. You see me? Well, I want to reach back on me here because you don't know this virus thing with them say I go around and, you see me? Anyway, I reach back on my yard safe and sound. Put myself in a quarantine, you know. But them people are kind of propel the situation or escalating or something where it's not, you understand? Because I my best I'm alright, but I don't know them say if stay on my yard for 7 or 14 days to make sure say, you know, them check my pressure and them check what them say, them check, them put something on my forehead. Yeah, check my fever. You see me, I'm good, so that them did I say. They might check my temperature. But they don't know me a voice note I grow. I'm just making people them know say, oh, I'm there in my yard safe and sound, you know. Everything is alright, you know. Yeah man, I'm there go and build 2 body with them, you see me? Yeah. For 14 days, I go and build 2 body with them. So the time when you see that 14 days, they have a mad tick. See me? I think at 12 or more hours just to reach my yard, you know. So I'm kind of over exhausted, you know. Anyway, when we reach, kind of did frustrated about the whole thing. Make sure I lock up myself, you know. I keep myself, you know. As much as I can isolate from people, that's what I do. But I'm a public figure, you see me? So you don't know people are going to see and say, Rygin, or go on, you have to give them the elbow, you see me? I say, yo, go on, you see me? Wrap up my face, you know? From head to my toe, wrap up, you see me? Come to the airport and them say, alright, Ragan King, them see my paper and see, realize I come through Germany. I never stay in Germany, my people, I transit through there. You understand? So the plane transit through Germany. Anyways, that the my paper, so them say Ragan King, step aside. I say, alright, we step aside with them, you know. We comply to, you know, what them say. Them just give me one form and say if me feel away, I have to make sure I call a number here and I have to stay out of the reach of, you know. So I then in place I go and hold them a bill to body with them, man, you see me? You know, make the thing look like what it's not, you see me? If you don't have something bad to say, although I'm not supposed to have nothing bad to say, Look how much good song, how much song me I do. Promote them the brother and stop promote some liquor, you know? Rumors, dog. You see me? Yeah, dog. For now, just as a Jamaica, big up. You see me? Make sure people let me know the best on the health. And someone, the brother, want to stop propel the thing to where it's not. You see me? Just keep on surrounding safe and, you see me? Yeah, dog. Take care of the immune system and them sitting there. You see, bro? Yeah, dog.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. And you can let me know what you think about these audios and the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, yeah, you can let me know if you believe it or if you don't believe it, whether it's from this person or that person, you know, or so on. Just let me know what you think. Alright, yeah, alright. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.